Student clients, welcome back to the NMS E-Learning Systems YouTube channel, brought to you by the DLA Guru. In today's episode, we are excited to both announce and share with you that NMS E-Learning Systems has launched our affiliate marketing program to represent our portfolio of government contracting masterclasses, to empower you to learn and earn with us. For those of you who are not familiar with NMS E-Learning Systems, we are a leading provider of online education and training programs that are designed to help individuals and organizations advance their skills and knowledge with federal government contracting, specifically with the Defense Logistics Agency, better known as the DLA. Our government contracting masterclasses are comprehensive training solutions that cover a wide range of topics, while offering practical, real-world solutions to the challenges faced by professionals in today's fast-paced and ever-evolving government contracting business environment. Now, let's talk about our new affiliate marketing program. If you are someone who is passionate about government contracting education, has an online presence, and wants to earn some extra income, our exclusive NMS E-Learning Systems Learn to Earn program was designed for you. As an authorized, independent affiliate, you will be able to promote the NMS E-Learning Systems masterclasses to your audience through your website, blog, social media channels, or email list. Here's how it works. You sign up for our affiliate marketing program, and we provide you with a unique tracking link that you can share with your audience. When someone clicks on your link and purchases the designated NMS E-Learning Systems Masterclass, you earn a commission on the sale. It's that simple. We offer our affiliates competitive commission rates, real-time reporting, and a range of marketing resources to help you promote the NMS E-Learning Systems Masterclasses effectively. Plus, you'll be part of a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about education and committed to making a positive impact in the world. So, whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just someone who wants to share the benefits of the NMS E-Learning Systems Government Contracting Masterclasses with others, we invite you to join our affiliate marketing program today. Let's work together to empower individuals and organizations around the world with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed with federal government contracting through the DLA. To get registered with the NMS E-Learning Systems Affiliate Marketing Program, please review the additional sign-up details in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and for tuning in to this exciting announcement, as we look forward to partnering with you soon. I'm Parker Winslow, signing out.